Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and don't forget to hit the bell button. All right, let's get right into it. So today I'm going to be taking you to the recipe for potato meatballs. Yeah, who doesn't love meatballs? It's one of those snacks you can have at any time of the day. It's really delicious. It's so rich, it's so tasty, and I especially love it with pepper sauce. Everything tastes better with pepper sauce. So yeah, those are the ingredients I'm going to be using for this recipe. So let's just get right into it. I peel and wash my potatoes. Next thing is I'm going to boil them for about 25 minutes, and I season with 1 Maggi cube and half teaspoon of salt. The water should be almost the same level with the potatoes when you put into boil, as you can see. So after about 25 minutes, my potatoes are ready, they are soft. I take them out, and the next thing I'm going to do is to smash them. So at this stage, I need to smash my potatoes and get like a potato puree. You can use a smasher, you can use an immersion blender, anything to help you, squash these potatoes and get like a puree. So I'm basically using a hand whisker at this point to just break through the potatoes, to just break them open before I start mixing it. After this, I go in with a serving spoon, and I just try to smoothen out that puree to get a very nice consistency. So I just walk out back and forth, just trying to smoothen out everything. You can see the ingredients that I used for my potato puree. So that's everything that went into my mashed potatoes. After putting all of that in, I mix everything up. So you can see how smooth and doughy that potato mixture is right now. The consistency is good. I still have a few lumps here and there, but that's okay, that's fine. That's the consistency you want. Once we are done making that potato puree, it's time for us to season our minced meat. So these are all the ingredients that will be going into the meat. After getting everything in, we mix thoroughly. After getting all the ingredients in and mixing it thoroughly, this is how your minced meat should look like. So next, I measure about 1 tablespoon of the minced meat into my palm, and I use both hands to just roll and press to form my meatballs. Once all my meatballs are formed and sitting on the tray, I go in with about a teaspoon of flour. I'm using all-purpose flour for this. Using about 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour per meatball, I kind of just dust off the meatball with the flour. This makes it smoother, makes it firmer, and I lay it back on the tray. After this stage, we are going to shallow fry our meatballs. I want to make sure that the meatballs cook through, so I let it fry till it gets to that almost burnt dark brown color. So when the meatballs are ready, I let them cool down for a little bit. Then I coat the meatballs with the potato puree. I apply cooking oil on my palms to make my palms greasy. Then I take about a tablespoon of the potato puree and I just press and roll until it's nice and smooth. I roll it until it's smooth. Then I press it out flat, put in a meatball in the center, then using both palms again. I repeat that and coat all the meatballs in the potato puree. Can you tell that this is my favorite part of this recipe? This actually makes me feel like a kid again. I just love this. Oh, I feel like I'm just playing with some jelly or some slimy or something. Well, silly me, don't mind me. Yeah, so let's get this done and move on to the next stage. Ooh, okay, so once we're done with this, we come to the tricky part. We have to coat this potato meatballs with 3 elements. First is flour, then eggs, then breadcrumbs. There are lots of techniques to do this, so however you do this, as long as it gets the job done, that's fine. This is my own technique. This is how I like to do it. Like I said, whatever gets the job done, just go for it. Alright, so there you have it. I'm done coating my potato meatballs. So now I just have to shallow fry them and I'm going for that nice cold brown, yummy, delicious finish. Oh, I can't wait, guys. Oh, let's just fry this and get it done. So while frying, I just toast it all around so that I touch every corner. I just keep toasting and turning till I have that consistent brown finish. So there you have it. Our potato meatballs are finally ready. I'm just going to dive right into this. I just need a little bit of pepper sauce. I love pepper sauce. It makes everything better and yummy. Oh guys, I wish you could smell this. The smell amazing. I know it's going to taste even better. So I hope you try this recipe. You leave your feedbacks and your comments below. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I totally enjoyed going through this recipe with you. I bet you did. Thanks. Bye guys.